It's time to make it. It's time to join in. It's time to see how the heavens should rain, yeah.